At FortisureIT, we utilize the latest technology in data analytics and reporting. Using Microsoft Power BI, we provide our clients with a highly customizable solution to extract meaningful insights from their data and present it in a visually appealing way. We start by loading the data. With over 100 built-in connectors, Power BI can access content stored in popular applications such as Excel, SQL Server, and SharePoint. If your application isn't included, we can migrate your data to one that is. After the data is accessed, we review it for missing values, duplicate items, and irrelevant rows or fields. Using tools like Power Query or DAX, we clean, filter, and aggregate your data so you only see the information you need presented in a standardized way across your reports. With its rich library of visuals, ranging from simple pie charts to tables containing detailed row-by-row information, Power BI offers a myriad of ways to display your data in the format that suits your business needs. And, with its custom navigation and filtering options, users get an app-like experience throughout the report. After the report is complete, we're ready to publish it to the cloud. Access to reports is tightly controlled, and you choose who can connect to them and what roles they have. The online service also lets you take visuals from multiple reports and combine them into a single dashboard so you can view your most important metrics in one centralized location. Power BI, a dynamic, cost-effective service that gives life to your data. Contact us today to find out more about how you can leverage the power of data to drive your business objectives and bring value to your company.